I am in the backyard here, and I want to show you where I have the box for the pollinators is right here, and they're doing quite well in January. They're still little babies in there, and you can see some of the bigger ones. There's carpenter bees right there. The bigger holes are packed. I'm pretty sure those are carpenter bees, and the rest are mason. Anyhow, they're in here, but since I have a woodpecker that really likes my bird feeder, I protect these guys by covering them up in the winter, but I don't make it airtight. Like, it's just, this is just a garbage bag, and I have it tacked to the front of the box, and that way the birds don't see it and predators don't see it, and they generally leave it alone, so it works. And then in the spring, in the springtime, I take off the cover and it works well. Have a great day. I hope you like this video, and I hope that you subscribe, and I hope that you follow my channel. All right, I'll talk to you later.